In this video, you will learn how to create fly-throughs between 3D views in planlauf terrain and how to use the new presentation mode. Click on More, Fly-Through, and then choose the 3D views option. Zoom, pan, and rotate the model in the viewport to define the first 3D view for the fly-through. Click on Add to create an entry in the list. Proceed with the other views and notice that new entries are inserted below the currently selected row in the list. You can also delete and replace views or move them up or down the list. Enter the duration of the fly-through in seconds and click on Start Fly-Through. You can either replay the animation with the play button or end this mode with a cross symbol in the toolbar. Open the fly-through window again and double-click on the first entry to restore this view. Change the 3D view in the viewport and click on Replace to update the parameters. You can speed up the transition between two views by choosing a speed value higher than the default value of 10. Notice that the value indicates how fast the transition to this view will be. Planlauf terrain uses splines to interpolate between the views. A natural spline creates very smooth transitions but might sometimes overshoot the desired views. You can choose a hermit spline to reduce the overshooting. Click on Start Fly-Through to play the animation with the new settings. The presentation mode displays the model in full screen mode and hides all control elements. Click on More and then on Presentation mode. Check the deactivation code option and remember the code. The Auto Rotate option detects a period of inactivity and then automatically animates the model. Click on Start Presentation mode. You can zoom, rotate, and pan by touch or by mouse and allow inexperienced users to explore the model without them being able to change it. If you want to leave a Windows 10 tablet unattended during an exhibition, there are two important Windows settings. First, you should disable edge swipes. Google Allow Edge Swipes and set the appropriate registry key. And second, you should disable the power button. Go to the power and sleep settings and set the choose what the power buttons do to do nothing. This will prevent users to access the operating system or even to switch the tablet off. End the presentation mode by clicking on the home button in the toolbar and holding the mouse for more than 10 seconds. On a touch screen, touch the home button for more than 10 seconds and additionally tap on the model with the second finger. Enter the code to deactivate the mode. Alright, that's it. We hope that you like the new features of planlauf terrain. If you have any additional questions, please send us an email to terrain@planlauf.com.